All right, so we are at our very first worksheet, and the first thing that we are going to start off with is setting our goals. I feel like writing down your goals makes such a big difference in accomplishing them. And so I wanted to set a little reminder for you as you're working through your transactions and looking at your dashboard to kind of think back to what you hope to achieve and why you're doing this. So this first section goes through what big financial goal you'd like to accomplish, and it doesn't have to be an income number. It can be as simple as a big overarching goal that you'd like to accomplish. So, something for myself would be being able to help my parents into their dream home. And being a little bit more financially free would be amazing. And I think accomplishing that would mean just so much to me because I would be able to, number one, be a little bit less stressed with bills and mortgages and all of that. But also, it would just mean a lot to be able to give back to my parents like that. And so, once you think about your big goals that you want to accomplish one day, the next section is for you to enter the goals that you want to accomplish for the year. So, it could be for the remaining of this year, or it could be the start of next year, whatever you'd like. And anything in red, you can edit and you can write what your goal for the year is and what that would mean to you. And in the next worksheet, we'll go through all the numbers specifically. But based off of what you know right now, answer these questions here. And I'm really curious to see if these numbers change after you go through the income calculator and the expense spreadsheets. So write down what your transaction goal would be, what your gross commission income goal would be. You don't have to answer all of these if the savings goal or debt repayment doesn't apply to you. And this last section are some motivating milestones. So just as a treat yourself, as you hit these goals, write down when you hit X number of dollars in income, or when you pay something off, or when you save money for XYZ. You can change these milestones, but I think it's helpful to write down what you'll treat yourself to or how you'll celebrate when you hit those goals.